Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hi beautiful people, good morning. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. I think this is not a startup of another vlog. This is a continuation of a vlog, so no need of doing all this my big intro. Yeah, so but let me try to check up on my family. So how are you all doing, my fam? Why is my lips like this? Okay, so fam, today is Monday, and today is Monday 19th of August 2024, and the kids have already gone for summer lesson. Yeah, so and I am at home. Yeah, I'm at home, so I'm excited because my Coursemate and my Coursemate, she was there too, and my fellow content curator Zinny TV. Yeah, she chatted me up yesterday that she's in Asaba, and she was asking me if I'll be chance today, that she wants to come and visit me. And I said, yeah, I'm not going anywhere today apart from my normal school runs. So she said okay, that she will be coming today. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm waiting her. So the last message I got from her was that they are preparing, so very soon they will be in my house. Yeah, and yeah, so I'll be showing you guys my Coursemate. I'll be vlogging everything, so our day together and all that. So anticipate that. Do not stop watching. Make sure you keep watching, okay? So I'll see you guys when they are here, okay? I'm not even enough for that already. How you doing? Fine, get me. I do. Welcome. Rose. Let me go and bring cola for you guys. Now welcome. Thank you. No. That's not cola. So guys, yeah, see our cola. See our cola. Before that time you come Zinny TV order. Because over the time my friend problem is like this. Just post it direct. Like when we can post it. So that go open and yeah. So when we look at the network network chatagi like this. Network that even me too. Hey, we change on network. Yes, and the worst part of that, the network can delay. That again, people that one. I'm getting ready to next something again because I never know this one. Because someone must say that I'm I don't know, they try. Yes, so all I know, I cannot do it. I'm trying to convince her to start. But she said no. That is so stressful. Actually, stressful. Yes. I don't know where to find the seat. Aside that yes, fresh empire served us fish cola with carrots. Come and enjoy with us. If you know, you know. So for one, you got all for one thing at 12. Our celebrity YouTuber is here. Hey, Jay. So guys, Zinny TV is leaving. Yes, I'm leaving. I think that's not an staircase. So guys, I'm leaving. Yeah. I'm leaving. Oh my God, now. Error. I honored her. Yes, so now I'm about to go. Guys, Zinny is leaving. So we just dropped her off at Summit Junction. Alright. Oh yeah, now see you next time. Bye. Thanks for coming. Bye. See you next time.
Several days later.
He passed 3 years. I should not go say 3 years. No, come on 3 years. Come on, that's right. If she come, you go tell her, she come out and then add them together. You dey pee. You don't want medicine, but you no go stay in one place. What is that now? Okay, let's go, Biko. See, someone that went to lesson, see what he came back with. See, I don't know how this, sorry, is it painful? I don't know how this boy broke his lips. See, I just went to the pharmacy to buy this medicine that will subside the pains. God, children. And today, the thing really touched me not to take this kids to school. I was going to bring the kids back from school. Yeah. See, I even say this thing once at a time on my channel. That whenever you wake up in the morning and your child said he or she don't want to go to school, just obey the child's spirit. See, now today I fell victim. Because when my children woke up in the morning, it's not as if Mona was the one that said he don't want to go to school. I just had that feeling because I woke up very tired and I said the kids won't be going to school today. So even when I spoke with their dad, I said they won't be going to school today. So he said okay. Then this morning, before you know that, now I remember that today is Thursday, and I also remember that I have a market errand that I want to run, and tomorrow there won't be school. So I now said okay, I don't want them to miss school 2 days. You understand? So I now said I don't want them to miss school 2 days. So I decided to take them to school. So guys, I took the kids to school. Then around after 1, I went to pick them up. On getting there, they said so on getting there, they said Mona fell down, and while playing, he fell down and broke his lips. I was devastated. Like instantly, I became angry because I was like, I started blaming myself because my spirit did not allow me to take the kids to school. But I don't just know why I disobeyed my spirit. So I became angry to myself. But anyways, it is what it is. I've taken him to the pharmacy. They gave him vitamin C and ibuprofen that he will take to subside the fever. Anyway, so yeah. So we're heading home now. Guys, we're back on board. Yeah. So right now, I want to cook soup. I want to cook ora soup. It has been long that we ate ora soup in this house, and I just get everything just half ready before I went for school runs. So once I come back, it will be easy because today we're having a rehearsal for our upcoming Mother's Day celebration. So now I want to hurriedly cook food before I'll start going to church. So yeah. So let's cook together. It's not going to be a proper cooking vlog, just minor few things, you understand. So I'll just be documenting a few things. Yeah, so let's dive. There is no time. Yeah, for the boat club for 1,500. How much do you think this fish will cost in the location? Let me know in the comment section.
Chop life with your brother. Onya say nobody enjoy. your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onyara pala one day. Onye se nobody njot abafofo. Onyara pala one day. Kabaru babambo batego. Kena bamba. Chop life.
Good evening. How are you doing? So guys, we're ready and yeah, I want to go to church for our rehearsal. Yeah, I'm about to take off. They're even calling myself. So guys, I'll talk to you guys in church, okay? Let's go for rehearsal together. morning. How are you all doing, guys? Happy new week to you guys. Today is Monday. Yeah, it's a new week. So how are you all doing? So I want to end up this vlog here to enable me start up another vlog. But before that, let me just give you guys feedback on my son's health. Yeah, I showed up on this vlog where he got injured at school. Yeah, so I took him to the pharmacy that day, and they gave him a buffet, and they also gave him a vitamin C drug. Yeah, so and he's better now because the two medicine that they give us at the pharmacy helped to try up the face of the injury and also subside the pains. Yeah, so he's better now. Go for summer lesson too. So and I even want him to change some place. I don't want to rough play again today because I don't just need another story whenever I come to pick you up again today. Please just be mindful of the way you play. And I know that children cannot always be children. So that is just it. They can never be careful in this life. Children can never be careful enough in this life. But anyways, I just thank God he's okay now and better as well. Please, I'm here to beg you guys to please go and check up my friend's channel. Go and check up her channel. I attached her channel name on this vlog. Please, I'll still attach it now. Her channel name is Zinny TV. Please check her channel up and please support her. Please, when you get there, tell her you came from me, okay? Let her know you came from Fresh Empire. Please go and support my friend and my Coursemate back then in school. Yeah, because we went to the same school together, so we were once Coursemate. Yeah, so please guys, go and support Zinny TV. Support. I promise you will love her vlogs. Honestly, you will love her vlogs. You can never go to her channel and come back with that subscribe. It's a promise. So you can as well try and confirm for yourself. So please go and support her, okay? So thanks for supporting her and thanks for watching this video to the end. I'm really grateful and I will be ending it here. So I'll be seeing you guys in another vlog.